One of the ways that I make money online is affiliate marketing. So I'm able to make passive income all the time without really doing a whole lot of effort after I set it up the first time. We haven't officially met. I'm Blog and Brandy, an ex-corporate Kool-Aid drinker, born to be creator, blogger, vlogger. Some people call me. And some people say, how do you make money online? So how do I make money online? Well, one way is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? I know you might be asking, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is you essentially say, hey, I like this product, or I've used this product, or maybe you haven't. I would probably only recommend products and services that you've used, but I could say, hey, I really love this coffee cup and you can go pick it up too. Check out the link below this video and have it mailed to you. That would be affiliate marketing, because if you went and you found the cup link and you clicked on it and you bought it, I would probably get a little bit of income from the sale of that. Now, you also can work with companies and get coupon codes, and I might say, hey, go buy this product and put in Blog and Brandy and they're going to give you 30% off or something like that. It really depends on the company or the product or the service that I'm recommending or selling. Affiliate marketing, it sounds like a scary word, but it doesn't cost the customer anything extra. It's just a way that by clicking the link below the video or in the blog post or wherever you're sharing it at, it allows them to track who sold or who recommended that product so that you could get paid for the sale. So you're just getting paid for recommending a product or service that you're probably already using. I can tell you the shirt that I have on, which I don't know if it's New Balance or what it is, but also the glasses that I have on. I love these glasses. I wear them all the time. They glow in the dark. They transition from sunglasses to day glasses. And the reason I love them is because I actually don't even need to wear glasses. I don't have to wear glasses. I have LASIK surgery in my eyes. But if I wear them, they help blocking the blue light from things like the computer or when I'm on my phone. It helps block out the screen, and so I'm not tired at the end of the day. But I could say, hey, if you really like these glasses that I have on, you can click the link below this video and go pick them up from Zenny, and that would be another example of affiliate marketing. Where do you find these affiliates? I know you're like, wow, Brandy, that sounds kind of exciting and not too hard to do. So where do you find these affiliates at? Well, I'm going to tell you. The easiest and simplest way to find these affiliates is on Amazon's Associates program. I know everybody and their mother probably recommends this, but there is a little catch to it, okay? You kind of want to have a little bit of an audience or people to buy your product, because you only have, I think, 6 months when you first sign up to get like 3 sales, and they can't be yourself. Then they'll like let you in the program. So if you go and you build all these links to all these products and then you don't make any sales in 6 months, they shut down your account, then all the links that you built, they're broken and they don't work and you don't get them back. Been there, done that. You don't want to do that. So the affiliate marketing program, I wouldn't sign up until you know you've got at least 3 people that can go buy the products from you. So you gotta make like 3 sales. You can read all about that because I'll put links to that below this video. You can check that out. But Amazon's one of my favorite and the easiest ones to get started with. Another one is Impact, is another place, and it's more of like a place where you can go and just find a whole bunch of affiliates that are putting their services on there, and you can sign up and put your profile on there and then apply to be part of all their little programs. Same thing with CJ, also called Commission Junction. You set up a profile and you apply for different programs. So some places and companies have their own affiliate programs that they run themselves, and then some of them farm them out or shop them out or go to like these third-party services. Speaking of that, if you're like, okay, well, I wonder if this place has an affiliate program, then what you could do is Google the company name and affiliate program. For instance, if I wanted to know if Zenny had an affiliate program, I could type in Zenny affiliate program or Zenny Glasses affiliate program and see if they had one, and then I'd be able to link to it or sign up for it. And then when I recommend the glasses and you go click on them, then I would get paid for it. That's an example. Another way that you can find these affiliates is if it's a company that you specifically know, like, oh, I really love this company or I wear them all the time. One thing I always recommend are my Vera Bradley bags. So these Vera Bradley bags, I carry them everywhere. You can probably see them back here. They're back in the back here. Mama Laundry. Can you see them? My Vera Bradley bags. I carry them everywhere. I have carry-ons that I take in the airplanes with me. I have them, I keep them in the RV with me. One of them is essentially like my desk in a bag, and it goes everywhere with me. But I love these Vera Bradley bags, and so I can say, hey, if you really love this bag and you want to get it for yourself, it's called Vera Bradley, and you can go to the link below this video and pick it up. But if you're like, okay, well, I wonder if Vera Bradley has like an affiliate program, then you could go to Vera Bradley's website. You could go to the bottom of the website and look and see if they have some type of commission or affiliate program, or again, you could Google their name and see if they have some type of affiliate program. But what I like to do is go to the website, the company website, and see. And then of course, if you really, really want to work with a company, or you really, really love a product, you can always email them or reach out to them in some way like that. Those are some ways that you can find affiliates, but where do you share them? So now that you've got these affiliates, and now that you're like, okay, I want to share this stuff that I'm talking about and using and make money from it, where do I share it? So like I mentioned, you can share it in a YouTube video like I am in this video. Again, I can talk about my glasses, I can talk about my coffee cup, I can talk and tell you, hey, I love these products, go below this video and find them, and put them in the description of my YouTube video. Or I could write a blog post. I could say, hey, head over to blogandbrandy.com and you can find all of the links that I'm talking about in a blog post, or maybe a page that I share them on, or I have like an affiliate page. It just depends how you set up your website. But I set up a website super easy with GoDaddy, and they're managed WordPress. They handle everything for you. I bought my domain name and everything there. Put a link to that below this video where you can find that. And if you happen to click and go buy something from them, I might get a little commission from that. Another place that you can share is on social media. So you could share in a Twitter tweet. You could share an affiliate link in your Facebook post. You could share on Instagram and say, hey, there's a link in my bio to go buy that. You could share on LinkedIn, TikTok. There's so many social media platforms that you can sell on. You just have to tell people, hey, do you love this thing that I'm using, this coffee cup? Well, there's a link below that you can go check that out. There's tons of ways that you can sell. Another way to sell is obviously when you're first getting started, you're probably like, well, who do I sell to? Friends and family, coworkers, people that you run into. You can always share your affiliate links with them. I can't tell you how many times like I ran into the neighbor and she has like barking dogs, and I told her about this collar that you can get that it helps the dogs. And I don't like shock collars or anything like that, but this has these little prongs in it, and so what it does is it like vibrates on the dog's neck, and it's called Dog Rook. And so if you head over to Birdie's Doghouse, my dog rescue, you could probably find these affiliate links. And that's one way that I make money with Birdie's Dog Rescue, is by people clicking affiliate links. But I'll put a link to this below this video since I mentioned it. You can go find it. But what happens is you turn this on and it vibrates. So if the dog barks, it vibrates. And it doesn't shock them. That is something where I shared a link and I was like, hey, you should go find it, girl. And I sent it to her. That's friends and family, neighbors, coworkers, people like that. And then your email list. Okay, your email list is a great place to promote these affiliate links. And even if you can't sell on your email list, because there are rules and regulations, like I want to say Amazon doesn't really allow you to sell in a place that they can't track. So if it's in an email, they can't see it. So they want it to be like on your website or on social media or somewhere like that. In the YouTube video description, you might send them from the email to your blog post or to your YouTube video so that they can get that link. Now, every program is different. It all depends on the program. You want to read into all this little fine print and figure that out before you sign up for them or before you start promoting them, because you don't want to get banned from them and you don't want to have any issues, you don't have any problems. On that note, if you don't have an email list, you can set one up completely free with MailChimp. That's what I do with mine. So I set up an email list and I send everybody to it. So that way, when I do have products and services that I want to promote or tell them about, I have somewhere to send them to sign up and people to send to. That makes sense. And it's not just on social media, because you don't own your social media accounts and you may not even get their attention when you post. Same thing with your blog, like maybe they don't see it, but with an email, it's right in front of them and they're going to get it, whether they're sitting there on their phone or on their computer or wandering around or whatever they're doing, they're going to see the emails like right in front of them. So if you haven't signed up for my email list, you can check the link below this video. I'll share a link to my email list. And if you haven't set one up for yourself, you can do that via MailChimp completely free and get that started today. Super simple, super easy to do. Wow, I'm so excited that we went through this. I've been wanting to share this for so long, and I just feel like affiliate marketing is something that people kind of frown upon. So if you like this video, please, please, please do me a huge favor and like this video by hitting the like button below, subscribe to this channel, and tap that little bell icon so you're notified each and every time I publish a new video about passive income, making money online. And I've also put together an entire playlist about it that you can check out after this video. I'll put a link to it in the description below. And again, all the fun stuff I mentioned is on blogandbrandy.com. Affiliate marketing, we've talked about what is affiliate marketing. We've talked about where you can find these affiliates and also where you share them. So you should be good to go at this point. You can get your affiliate marketing started, and I want to know, like, what questions you have at this point. Which one of these things have you tried? Which one do you want to try first? What questions do you have, or what is keeping you from getting started? Drop it in the comment below and let me know. I can't wait to read those, and I always try to respond to them. They help me make my new content and my new videos, and who knows, you might end up in one of them. So until the next time, check out all the fun stuff that I mentioned below this video in the description. You can always head over to blogandbrady.com to find that as well. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.